Hello everyone, this is Shimmering Tarot. We have an unboxing today for you. The Dark Hollar deck from Priscilla Young, Dark Hollar on Etsy. So I ordered the Dark Hollar and I haven't opened it yet. Oh, let me show you what she sent me as a gift in between. She sent me water from her Appalachian Mountains rivers, and these cards, and all this beautiful, and these flowers. So the Appalachian Mountains are known for having magic, mystical powers in the water and healing, and they called them granny witches. It's why we all feel so like it reminds us of our grandmothers. And this beautiful handkerchief. Open it for you. I don't know, this feels so good to touch. This is her Hollar Moon Mountain deck, and I keep it in the cloth she wrapped it in. So she wrapped her gift to me, the three of her magical waters, healing, mystical properties, and helps trigger your third eye. I don't know, trigger's not the good word, but I can't think of a better word at this moment. Get you more in tune with your intuition, And these cards, it was all wrapped up in this, and that was in there too. I don't know what these flowers are, but they smell good. It has a faint smell that just makes me feel good. It looks like a miniature daisy. Let me see if I can get a good one. You see the little middle here and some little flower petals. And it fell. And this came from the Hollar Moon Mountain deck. And it says gift, because it is a gift. I think these are daisies, dried daisies. And here's the backs. I just love the backs of these three decks. So now my beautiful handkerchief. And it's all tied up in the string. I love maroon, red, black, Okay, let's open the deck. Oh, her initials. Yeah, I had it right, okay. Oh, look at this one. I haven't seen this one. 6. Trust. Oh, I think this is the Eastern Bluebird. I can't really see it up front, but Hollar Gong restaurant, gift shop, guided Amish tours. Cool. I live in Ohio, and we have lots of Amish people. I have Amish neighbors. Oh, is this a recipe? Oh, I love artichokes. 2 jars of marinated artichokes, drain and discard. Drain in skillet. And 1 finely chopped onion. I think that's a finely chopped onion. 1 clove of garlic minced. Saute into limp. Fine bread crumbs. I'm not going to read the amounts. Teaspoon salt, pepper, ½ pound or cup of sharp cheddar cheese, ½ teaspoon oregano, Tabasco sauce, chopped parsley, Stir it all together in a greased 8x8 greased pan. And you cook for 30 minutes at 325 degrees. I am going to try this. It's all things I really love. I'm going to totally make this. Thank you. She totally has it in touch with me. When she sent me the dark moon, I opened that, just the stuff that came with it. But she sent me, I thought I put it in here. It's not in this one. But my first flight I ever took was when I was 5 years old. And I remember I was coming home from seeing my grandparents, and I had such a great time seeing them. It was TWA, and it's TWA Wings. Maybe it's in this one. No, it's not in this one. Where did I put it? Oh, not there. I know it's somewhere really close. I thought I put one of these bowls. Okay, well, I'll find it later. I found it. I think I found it. I was stuck between two chairs. Here they are. And a bell. You know how I love to ring my bell. And this is just so precious to me. Don't know how she just picked the right thing. She takes her time to pick the right thing to wrap with your deck when you buy it. So, this. Let's see. These feel like wood shavings. No, they're mushrooms. Cool. Oh, I am in Ohio, and another Buckeye. Oh, horsey. Yes, the little girl in me. It's a little 7-year-old girl that's still alive inside me. Always will be. Oh, let's try to get this good look at this. Dobbin. Oh, isn't this adorable? I love it. So let's put this over here. More Mountain River water. And it's sealed with the wax. Oh, what's this? It's a dragon. Oh, and I love dragons and it's a domino. Isn't that awesome? So, 8. I love that. Priscilla is just so awesome. So I had, got confused when I ordered my deck. I saw J, and the date so it should be here, and I thought it was, June, but it actually said JUL. And so I was so confused, and she's like, send me this gift, of the waters and the cards and the handkerchief. Such a nice person. It was my fault I was so confused, You know, sometimes we run off with something we see, you know, and we think it's this thing we want it to be. Maybe it's just I wanted it to be, you know. And it's so worth waiting for her to, you know, find what she wants to send with the cards. It's so worth waiting for. It feels just everything she has ever sent feels so meant for me, because she does. She picks things personally for you, whatever she feels is in tune with you. Isn't that lovely? I'm just enjoying feeling the different two fabrics here. So here is our deck. So these are the cards are not titled. So you just work with them, you know. Have a journal. Okay, I need a little more cutting. So, you know, get yourself a journal. It doesn't have to be expensive. You can decorate it or not. But, you know, spend some time with the deck. And here is the backs. And the one thing that you feel so in touch with, and I've heard everybody say this, is you feel very much in touch with your ancestors, especially your grandmothers. Not just your first grandmother, but the one great-grandmother and great-great-grandmother. So she takes these beautiful black and white pictures. Ooh. So we can see her beloved mountains here. And some cattle. So this is where a lot of hedge witchery goes on. And they called them granny witches when I looked up the Appalachian Mountains. Candles. I love candle magic. I love watching the way they flicker. Oh, she had this on her website too. Cursed object, $2. I know, something about it. It reminds me of where the wild things are. I know it's not exactly like any one of them, but it reminds me. And I liked that story. It has such a good feeling. Arachne. This beautiful spider. This is a very hard-working critter. You can see the web. None of them are the same. A little pig. He's very clean. I have heard they love to roll around in mud. I've seen them do tricks like dogs can do. They're very smart. Butterfly. They're just beautiful, and it makes me think of freedom. And part of, the ecology, they love to eat the milkweed. I've even seen them land on my dog's poop and take nutrients from there. You wouldn't believe, all the animals work to keep our world. And we're one of those animals, keep our world intact. Horseshoe for luck. Strawberries. A great dessert, healing for your body. Except for mine, I'm allergic. Look at the beautiful, it looks like a yellow lab, I think. And they love swimming, and this looks like water right here. So loyalty, fun, frolicking. Ah, rosary. It's a Catholicism. Yeah. I'm from St. Juliana's in Fullerton, California. Even though I live in Ohio now. That was happy memories. You know, I really loved it there. I love it here. But that was, you know, the church I grew up in. Grasshopper. I've seen a locust in my house, which was really surprising, but I have not seen one of these since I was a little girl. Oh, ball for canning. Canning your potions. Oh, they're does. Young deers. They're so sweet. They're so sweet and innocent, but they can be some powerful creatures that can hurt you if you mess with them. This kind of got me because Tim is probably going to die today. My neighbor, babysitter, so it's been a hard time. Been going through emotions of sadness, anger, just crazy emotions. It's cancer's got him. Not even conscious anymore. Oh, look how sweet. Now this really makes me think of my grandmother. You know, she loved to crochet and make blankets and then make toys for me. She bought me toys too. Just it makes me feel happiness, comfort, love, joy, and security. Such security. I love being in my grandparents' house. Oh, look at that beautiful tree. I'll try not to take too long. Oh, look at all the doll parts. You can put together your doll to look however you want. Looks like more headstones or posts. I'm not sure. Beautiful trees in the wilderness. Happy birthday. Happy times and celebrations. Oh, the moth. There are some gorgeous moths in this world. I think these are apples. It makes me think of, peeling them, and you want to peel it and get the initial of who your true love will be. Oh, look, the candle in front of the mirror for gazing. I like to use a black mirror, an obsidian ball. Beautiful. Pumpkin. I love pumpkins. Pumpkin cookies, pumpkin coffee, pumpkin tea, pumpkin soup. Not pumpkin pie, because they don't even put pumpkin in the pumpkin pie. We got one and it had no pumpkin in it. It said pumpkin pie, looked like a pumpkin pie. Beetle. Looks like all these branches and grass laying down. Broken off. Oh, clotheslines. Environmentally friendly. Saves you money on your bills. Carcass. That makes me think of my grandmother too. She made all her magical tools out of things from nature. Not going to buy them, she made them. You know, chicken bones for her, she'd read chicken bones. She read coffee and tea leaves and tarot. And she did it for a living. This is my other grandmother from Afghanistan. But because she's a woman, they take the money, the men. A bridge, freeway bridge, or she takes such beautiful pictures in black and white. This looks like you're laying down, or it could be standing up, but I just feel like I'm laying down, looking up through this hole in the trees, watching the clouds and feeling comfortable and safe and having fun just what the clouds look like. Oh, look at the light shining through there. Looks like the light is just glistening on you purposely. USN. Oh, look. A Playboy bunny. It's a belt buckle. It makes me think of the armed forces. U.S. Navy? I don't know. I'm going to have to spend some time with these. Oh, a quilt. Now here's something very homey, comforting, just loving. These are made out of love, you know, when they're made for you. Belts rolled up like this. I know I have, maybe some people have good feelings about belts. I don't. Mailbox. Like all these leaves that have grown with the mailbox, I planted morning glories around mine, and they never grew. It was supposed to be so beautiful. Oh, look at these little cherubs. They look like cherubs to me. I see the wings on this one. So sweet. All these plants here. This looks like a place to come and meditate or have your tea, you know, and have that peaceful moment. Ferris wheel. Makes me think of love. Kissing, you know. Oh, look at this beautiful flower. Oh, look at these dark storm clouds. All these canned items. Maybe this is her apothecary, or maybe these are, I'm guessing it's her apothecary. Could be foods, because look, there's a cookbook. Could be somebody else's too. It's not just, oh, look at the beautiful cat. I love the eyes. Now they're very intuitive. So are dogs. Dogs let me know, you know, especially at Tim's house. He's had robbers there. They let me know they're there. We scare them off. He hasn't been robbed since we moved in. Look at the barn. We have lots of barns around here in Ohio too that look like this. There are beautiful homes and barns of all states and phases, and they're just beautiful. There's something so charming, even at the state. It's still charming. The history behind it. Look, tomatoes, homegrown tomatoes. Those are wonderful tasting. And don't put them in the refrigerator. That takes away the taste. Oh, look, we get to see closely at the Ferris wheel bucket. Oh, look at the beautiful cow. He's having his portrait taken. Like, why are you looking at me? It looks like a very young one. And it's so much furrier than I've seen cows before. I have fun spending time with this tunnel to drain. We have these in, like right by where the driveway goes out of our house. They make this big ditch all along both sides of the roads. And it has these there. Windows. In disrepair. And still something just so beautiful about it. It looks like a cave. No, this is a tree. This is like a animal's home. Wow. Ivy. They just grow everywhere. Blue ribbon. Champion. Sevierville, Tennessee. So this makes me think of the Six of Wands. Success, victory. Feeling good about yourself. Working hard to achieve this. I spend more time looking at this. Something about these houses are very charming, and barns, and that's a slower way of life, and I love that. You know, everybody says to me, because I'm not from here, they know, because I've always got my doors locked, not just my house doors, my car doors. They're like, are you paranoid? You know, because people, you know, they come over, they expect the door to be unlocked, you know, because you know they're coming over. Nope. I unlock it for them to come in, and I lock it when they come in. It's just my way. Just a beautiful sight. Sit out there and look out the window. What is that growing up there? It looks like maybe it's a whole bunch of wasp. Oh, the doll head on the doll body. I don't know, it makes me think of some happy little girl playing with this. Having so much fun and loved this doll so much. Childhood innocence. sky needle, pocket knife. Look at the beautiful rose. I know, I love roses, whatever color. Red is my favorite, but all of them, I love them. Oh, look, this is one of those bathtubs with the claw feet. Beautiful. It just looks like it needs a little renameling. Looks like sage bundles being dried. Oh, milk glass. I think milk glass is so beautiful. Hallway. Oh, look at this stone wall. I think it's a stone wall. Maybe it's a whole bunch. I don't know what it. But it makes me think of the stone houses around here. Key. Makes me think of Hecate. Unlocking secrets. Unlocking your path. Oh, the furry caterpillars. There are a lot of these guys around here. Oh, look at the cat. It looks like a Persian cat to me. I had a white one when I was a little girl, Cyrus. All the bells. I have my anniversary bell for 25 years. Here's a nice and loud one. We're keeping away all negative energy. Ah, the sun. A daddy long legs. A covered porch. Fully covered porch. Maybe sunroom. Stairs. Bird baths. I've enjoyed my bird feeder and bird baths and bird houses so much this year. I've had so many different kind of birds. I can't believe it. It's been like a paradise. You know, we've kept it fully stocked, water's full, especially during that heat wave. And it was me and Tim sat there and just watched the birds. Well, my husband upstairs worked. Thorns, protection. They might hurt when you prick, but they're great to use for protection. A river. Oh, black bear. I think that's a black bear. Just laying there resting. Isn't it sweet looking? I saw a squirrel in my bird feeder. My husband said he was splatting, I don't know. But it's what they do to cool off, where they just lay down, everything spread out. You know, they don't keep their arms close to their bodies. They just go, whoo, everything's far out to get cooled off. Look at that big hole in that tree. Nice home. I love this. It's what I love about here too. In California, it's concrete on all sides of the freeway. Here you see trees, you know. You see beautiful life. So let's shuffle it. Let's see what feeling I get from whatever card that comes out. And with her cards, you don't feel like you need to cleanse them, like coming from someplace, third-party place like Amazon. But if you do get something from somewhere like that, you can use the sun, the moon. You can use selenite to wave by it, over it, or sit on a selenite plate. Put a crystal on it. I have to be very partial to carnelian. And obsidian, and I love them all actually, but carnelian is just it. Here. Whether this is a honeycomb or a stone wall, it's something I find charming. Yeah, a honeycomb has more of a octagonal shape. These are more round. Don't know what it is. I have to look things at pictures, try to type it into Google and figure it out. But nature is amazing. Because the stones are beautiful, you know, that nature makes. Bee combs are beautiful, intricate, amazing. And it feels like powerful. Nature is very powerful and beautiful. And to be cherished. Not abused. It's not stone. I can see it now looking here. This is raised. Definitely feels power, good power. Not oppressive power. Just the power of nature, of this world, of our deities, creating this for us. Our grandmothers. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. This is the Dark Hollar deck. It's not called Dark Hollar Tarot or Dark Hollar Oracle. You can use it as an oracle. You can use it however you like to use it. You just, you know, work with it, come up with your meanings for each card, and it will speak to you. Oh, they just make me so happy. So I hope you enjoyed this. Take care, everyone. I'm sending you lots of love and many blessings. Mwah. Many kisses too. Bye, everybody.